Hi guys, I know it's that time of the year when many of you are thinking about your dissertations and you're wondering what's the best approach to start and actually deliver on your ideas. And I know this is a struggle for many of you. Somebody told me recently, why don't you communicate to the people who are interested in dissertations or nervous about dissertations? Why don't I communicate my ideas, my expertise in that field? And this is exactly what I'm doing here. I decided the best channel to engage with you is via YouTube and share some ideas, suggestions, and guide you through the dissertation process to tell you about the best approaches of identifying a research topic and then doing everything best to actually tackle this research topic, identifying the best research question, initiating the right objectives for your research, doing the literature review in a more efficient way to save you time and efforts, because I know you have limited time devoted to the dissertation and you have all kinds of other things to do. And of course, you may want to enjoy the weather outside. So if you stick to this channel, I will be posting some videos regularly on the topic of dissertations, but also on other topics as well. I will tell you about theories, what's the difference between theoretical frameworks and analytical frameworks. I'm going to talk to you about methodology, or how you can analyze the data that you have collected. What are some of the implications of the different methods that you choose? We're going to discuss about the discussion chapter, why is it important and how to do it well. Ultimately, all these ideas, all these suggestions would contribute to developing a coherent research study and hopefully get a good recognition for your efforts. So if this is something that you want to hear more about, you can just subscribe to this channel. You can comment down in the comment section. Tell me which particular aspect of the dissertations you struggle with, and I'll help you out. I'll be developing videos and discussing different parts of the dissertation, posting these videos here on YouTube just to help you. I've been doing that as part of my career, talking to students about research and dissertations, students of different levels, undergraduate, postgraduate students, and PhD students as well. So definitely there will be some value for you in this channel. Let me know whether you want me to focus on something particular, and I'll do so. If not, I will go through the whole structure of a dissertation, starting off with the research idea and the research questions, following with the literature review, with the methodology, with the discussion chapter, and in between, of course, I will be speaking about how you can collect the best data to maximize the result of your efforts. This is everything from me for now, but stay tuned for some of my updates. Again, if you like, subscribe and I'll be producing more content for you. Peace out.